Me Malachi Case here, and I'm basically showing you guys in speech class. I just downloaded this game, my Mobizen app. This little M right here is Mobizen, and it allows you to download games. I mean, it doesn't allow you to download games. It allows you to record your video gaming. So let's try to play the game. This is the first time I played it. It's like a Flappy Bird ripoff, I think. Son of a... This might get loud. This might get loud. I might rage a lot if I can't get past one. If I can't get past one. Come on. I used to be a pro at this stuff. Okay, 5. Okay. The silence of concentration. Okay, no cussing on the video, yeah? No cussing for a school video. No, this can't be. I need at least one dank number. No! We are number 1.
How late is Mary's Fish Market open?
Of course, there's an ad in my video. Son of a... No! No! Cancel! No! When you get copyrighted for ad, I'd be like triggered if I really did. This game is hard. I think this is all I'm going to show you of this. Because I'm triggered. I'm not getting past 8, alright. Oh! The struggle is real. Mother! Okay. Well. I think that's enough. Yep, that's enough. Goodbye. Yep. That's all I want to show you.